Artificial intelligence is changing the world. AI tools are everywhere, from voice assistants to self-driving cars. These tools make our lives easier and solve complex problems. The demand for AI tools is growing rapidly. This creates an exciting opportunity for anyone to become an AI creator. You don't need to be a coding expert to build AI tools. No-code platforms make AI accessible to everyone. With simple drag-and-drop interfaces, you can create powerful AI solutions. Learning to build AI tools is a valuable skill. It can open up new career paths and entrepreneurial opportunities. The future of AI is bright, and you can be a part of it. Whether you choose no-code or code-based solutions, there's a place for you in the world of AI. Let's explore how to get started. No-code AI platforms are revolutionizing the way we create AI. These platforms allow anyone, regardless of their coding experience, to build AI tools. Imagine creating an AI chatbot without writing a single line of code. That's the power of no-code AI. But how does it work? No-code platforms use visual interfaces and pre-built modules. These modules represent complex AI concepts, simplifying the development process. You can drag and drop these modules, connect them, and customize their settings, all without coding. This approach empowers individuals and businesses to build AI solutions quickly and efficiently. No longer is AI development limited to programmers. No-code AI opens doors for entrepreneurs, marketers, educators, and anyone with a creative vision. Numerous no-code AI platforms cater to different needs and skill levels. These platforms offer a wide range of AI capabilities, from creating chatbots to automating business processes. Let's explore a few popular options. Google AutoML, a suite of machine learning products that empowers developers with limited machine learning expertise to train high-quality models specific to their business needs. Microsoft Azure AI Platform, a cloud-based service providing a comprehensive set of tools for building and deploying AI solutions. It offers both no-code and code-based options. MakeML, a platform focusing on creating machine learning models for iOS and macOS apps. It's a great option for developers looking to integrate AI into their mobile applications. These are just a few examples of the many no-code AI platforms available. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your specific project requirements. Section 4. Building your first AI tool without code. Let's walk through the steps of creating a simple AI tool using a no-code platform. For this example, we'll use a hypothetical platform called AI Builder. Our goal is to create a basic AI chatbot that can answer customer questions about a fictional online store. Step 1. Define the purpose and functionality. Clearly outline what you want your chatbot to do. In our case, it should answer questions about products, shipping, and returns. Step 2. Gather and input data. Provide AI Builder with sample questions and answers related to your online store. This data trains the chatbot to understand and respond to customer inquiries. Step 3. Design the conversational flow. Use AI Builder's drag-and-drop interface to create a logical flow for the chatbot's conversations. Define how it should greet users, ask clarifying questions, and provide helpful information. Step 4. Test and refine. Once your chatbot is set up, test it thoroughly with various questions. Analyze its responses, identify areas for improvement, and refine its conversational flow and knowledge base accordingly. By following these steps, you can create a basic AI chatbot without writing a single line of code. Remember to start with a simple project and gradually increase the complexity as you gain more experience. Section 5. Level up. AI development with code. While no-code platforms are excellent for getting started, coding empowers you to create more sophisticated and customized AI tools. Programming languages like Python provide the flexibility and control needed for advanced AI development. Learning to code might seem daunting, but numerous resources are available to help you along the way. Online courses, tutorials, and communities offer structured learning paths and support systems. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually build your coding skills. With coding, you can delve deeper into AI algorithms, fine-tune models, and build solutions tailored to specific needs. The possibilities are limitless, and your creativity is the only boundary. Section 6. Launching your AI tool into the world. Once you've built your AI tool, it's time to share it with the world. There are various ways to market and sell your creation. You can launch it on marketplaces specifically designed for AI tools, offer it as a service on freelance platforms, or even create your own website to showcase its capabilities. The key is to identify your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Highlight the benefits of your tool, provide clear explanations of its features, and offer excellent customer support. Building trust and credibility is crucial when selling any product or service, especially in the world of AI. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, be persistent in your efforts, and don't be afraid to seek feedback and iterate on your product. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and your willingness to adapt and improve will ultimately determine your success.